We are in the age of AI. Now machines can write, code, and even create art. But here's the truth. There are still things that they cannot do as good as human can. At least not yet. Skill number 1, empathy, the heart of human connection. AI can analyze your tone and suggest a response, but it cannot feel your pain. Empathy, the ability to truly understand and share another's emotions, is uniquely human. Why it matters? In healthcare, leadership, customer service, people don't just want solutions. They want to be seen and heard. How to grow it? Practice active listening. Stop talking. Ask, how would I feel in their shoes? Ask, how can I help? Show you genuinely care. Empathy isn't soft, it's essential. Skill number 2, emotional intelligence, the power of self and social awareness. AI doesn't get stressed, jealous, or inspired, but we do. Emotional intelligence is like a twin sister of skill 1, empathy. It means knowing your emotions and managing them while understanding others. EQ is the superpower of leadership. Why it matters? 90% of top performers have high EQ. It builds trust, collaboration, and resilience. How to grow it? Pause to think before reacting. Identify and name your emotions. Seek feedback on how you impact others. Emotional intelligence changes good people into great leaders. Skill number 3, creativity, the spark of original thought. AI can connect and remix ideas, yes, far more efficiently than human. But it works on prompts. It doesn't really dream. It doesn't wonder. What if? Well, at least, not yet. Creativity is about imagination, pushing boundaries, containing risks, and making something that never existed. Why it matters? From solving global challenges to inventing new products which solve human problems. We need creativity to build a promising future. How to grow it? Spend time in curiosity. Ask wild questions. Connect unrelated ideas. Accommodate bad ideas. They may lead to great ones. Remember, creativity is not a talent. It is a habit. Skill number 4, ethics. Doing what's right, not just what's possible. Artificial intelligence follows code and reacts to prompts. Humans follow conscience. Ethical judgment means weighing choices not just for efficiency, but for integrity, fairness, and long-term impact.
As AI evolves and spreads, we need humans to ask, just because we can, should we? Geoffrey Hinton, often called the godfather of AI, warned that we are on track to build digital beings more intelligent than humans and have no idea if we'll be able to control them. He called for urgent action from governments and global institutions to contain the risk. Why it matters? Without ethical judgment and integrity, instead of a promising future, human creativity may be leading to hell. How to grow ethics? Reflect on your values. Debate ethical dilemmas. Speak up when something feels wrong. The future needs more moral courage, not just smart machines. Skill number 5, adaptability, thriving in uncertainty. AI is trained for specific tasks and is evolving fast. Humans, we also evolve. Adaptability is not just the ability to learn, but to unlearn and relearn. To survive, let alone excel in the AI era, we need to adapt faster than the AI. It's already happening. AI is fast displacing jobs traditionally done by humans across societies, while new industries are fast evolving. As we look ahead, the future is uncertain and daunting, but people who adapt will still find their spaces to succeed and thrive. How to grow adaptability? Have faith. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. Step outside your comfort zone. Make learning your daily habit. The best skill? The willingness to learn. AI is powerful, but it doesn't care. It doesn't dream. It doesn't love. We do. The future isn't human versus machine. It's human plus machine, with human skills leading the way. So don't just keep up with technology. Cultivate what makes you human. Empathy, emotional intelligence, creativity, ethics, adaptability. Master these. You cannot be replaced. Oh, if you enjoy the video, please kindly do these things. Thank you.